Hello everyone, back again with another video. In my previous videos, I showed how we can create our online questionnaires and tests by the help of the Google Forms tool included in our Google Drive. And then I showed you how we could create our online testing materials and exercises by the help of Hot Potatoes. And again, you know how to set your WordPress web block and also how to create your offline website where you can install your online questionnaires and online testing materials. Today we will talk about Camtasia. Tools like Camtasia enable us to edit videos, to record our own videos, and to customize these videos. Alright? So let's start. Let's see how Camtasia works. Actually, there are many tools like Camtasia. And most of them work similarly. The principle is similar. So let's see. We just need to go to our Google and type Camtasia, or you can type like video recording and editing software or tool. You can search with these keywords as well. But I'm going to use Camtasia, so you just need to go here. You can download the free trial. This gives you 30 days free trial, or you can buy the software if you like it. Okay, when you click it, you download the setup file, and then all the rest is similar to what we do with all other downloaded files. We need to install and then we can use it. When we install it, I have it here. We will see this icon, Camtasia 9. By the way, you can use Camtasia 8 or the previous versions of Camtasia. And when we double click, we will see this screen. So most of the screens that we see with all the editing tools like Camtasia are similar. As I said, we have our menus here and also our tools here, and then we have this part where this is our media library. This is the place where we will see our videos, the videos that we will work on. And this screen is the preview screen. Right now here, this is maybe the most important part for us on the bottom. So we will have to see the timeline of the video and audio files here. So we will have the library here, the videos here. We will have to put these videos here on the timeline so we can work on them. And we will do all the changes here on this timeline. And then we have the option to click here, to play it, to pause it, or to stop it, and to preview what we did and how the video is going. Alright? So maybe we need video to work on, and it is very easy to find videos online. So I can just write educational video, search videos, okay, solar system. Maybe I'm looking for a shorter video, not too long one. So this is 5 minutes and a half. So maybe I can work on this video. And what is the easiest way to download a video? You can do it in many ways. Of course, you can just copy this and then install this address in websites like KeepFit, where you can download, paste the address here, where you can download the video, okay? Or you can just, if the video is not, if it is allowed to download the video, you can just, if there aren't any copyright issues or something, you can just type SS here before Y, SS, and then we can just enter. So now this will allow us to download the video. Right, here it is. And we have the options here. Okay. When we decide on which one we want to download. We just need to select it, and then the download starts shortly, and it is downloaded. Now what I need to do is to import this video here. I want to see the video here. Alright, so I go to import media, or I can go to file and import media. Same thing. Both actions do the same thing. Okay, so let's import the video here. Here it is. Okay, so my video is here. When I click on this play button, I can't see it. Why? Because this video is in my media bin. It is in my library. I need to, as I said, to drag and drop it here to my timeline, or I can just right click and add it to timeline playhead. Both actions do the same thing. Drag and drop or right click and add to timeline. Now it is here. Now I see it here. Okay? My video is here. Now when I click on this, I can review the video. And this is how I can move it forward or backward. Okay? So as it is 5 minutes and a half, it is too long for me. I can't see the whole line here. Okay, I need to go to right, so it is here. Now I want to see whole of it on my screen, so I go here, and then when I move it here, right, now I see the whole video here. This is 5 minutes and a half here. Okay, so now I can work, I can see everything that I do on certain seconds or minutes that I change, that I do with this video. Now let's start to work. As I said, here are our menus and our tools. With Camtasia 8, these tools might be somewhere here, okay? But we have the same thing, the same menus, the same tools to work, okay? We have the same menus, okay? But the place might be different. Now we start with this video. I will just click play. Okay, a boy is playing with his ball, and then a spaceship arrives. All right.
Who are you? I am Nino. I am from a far planet from another solar system. I am an alien to your planet. Wow, that's very exciting.
Okay, so they have a conversation going on between them. So maybe I would like to add the subtitles. So what I need to do is to go back, okay, and then stop where the conversation begins. It is 19th second.
Who are you?
Who are you? The boy asks, who are you? Okay. So I'm going to add annotation here. So when I click on this, you will see that we have different titles like abstract, basic, bold, urban. Okay, so I click all. Now under all of these icons here, we will have different objects. See them? For annotations, we have that pondering balloons here, or some arrows, shapes. Under this, arrows and lines that we can use. Here we have shapes, different shapes that we can use in our video. Okay. Okay. Right. So I start to work with this. As I said, I'm going to add subtitles here. So I will use just this one. So by the way, you can drag on the video and drop it there, or you can drag and drop it on the timeline. Okay, where do you drag and drop it? Exactly where you want the subtitle to appear. If you drag and drop it here, it means that you will drag and drop it to somewhere under the second minute. But I want it to appear here in the 20th second or 19th second. Okay, so I leave it here. So the boy says, "Who are you?" Okay, this is just very similar to working with Word, Microsoft Word. So I have to select this and then I will write, "Who are you?" This is the question. Now, for this, I can change the font of this. You see it here on the right, the font. You can change the font. Okay, there are different. You will see all the fonts here. You can change the font. Okay, then maybe you can make it bold or italic or whatever you want. You can change the color, right? Then you can drag it and drop it. It can be a subtitle somewhere here, okay, or here, wherever you want to install them. Then you can change the size of this, of the subtitle. Okay, all is here. By the way, if you don't see the screen, sometimes you need to click on properties. Sometimes we see the screen like that. Okay, so if you don't see the editing tool, you just need to click on this properties. So when you click on properties, you just need to select the subtitles and then you will arrange them. You can edit them. Okay, so I have added this. Now let's see how it will look. Go back and watch the video, preview it.
Who are you? I am Nino. I am...
Now, have you noticed? The boy asks, "Who are you?" And still we see the same subtitle here. But his friend, his alien friend, started to talk now. Okay? So, I don't want this subtitle to appear in my video that long. So I need to arrange the length. Where do I want this to end? To disappear from the screen? I need to go there to that minute here and take it back. The boy asks, "Who are you?" And then, okay, somewhere here, I need to shorten this. So here we add whatever caption or subtitle we add, we will see them right here on the video or audio file. Okay, so you need to go here on this caption, on the subtitle, and when you see this double-sided arrow, right and left-sided arrow, you need to click on it and then you need to drag it back to the minute where our green friend will start to talk. Or if you want something to appear from the beginning to the end, then you can drag and expand it to the end of the video, right? So we will see the same thing written from the end, from the beginning to the end. But right now, as we are adding subtitle, I'm going to leave it here. Okay, so let's go back and see if this works.
Who are you? I am Nino.
Right.
I am from...
So it works right now. The boy asks, "Who are you?" And when our green friend started to talk, the subtitle disappeared. Now we will have to add the subtitle for the things that the alien tells us. Okay, so we go back a little bit here. "Who are you?" And then it disappears. And then we will add another subtitle.
I am Nino.
Okay, it says "I am Nino," so I'm going to add another subtitle here. Okay, the same way. It says "I am Nino." Okay, let's go on listening.
I am from a far planet from...
I am from a far planet. I am from a far planet.
From another solar system.
From another solar system. Right?
I am an alien to your planet.
I'm an alien to your planet. Okay. Planet. Okay. So now if you want, we can change the color again, or the size. Okay. We can put it wherever we want, like that. I guess it will be better if you make it black. Okay, fine. By the way, if you right now, for example, I see this green thing, it means that I have added quiz here accidentally somehow. So if I add something accidentally here, it doesn't mean that we can't change it. We just need to right click on the thing that we add accidentally, this one or this one or the quiz, okay, and then right click and click delete. Okay, right now I have just the first subtitle and the second subtitle that I did. Now let's see, let's preview again.
Who are you? I am Nino. I am from a far planet from another solar system. I am an alien to your planet.
Right, so I want, right now my subtitle disappeared too early. So I want it to go on to this minute, 29th second. So again, I do the same thing. I shortened it here, I will make it longer here. So I need to see this double-sided arrow, click and expand it to the minute that I want it to appear. Right? Now see.
Nino, I am from a far planet from another solar system. I am an alien to your planet.
Right, and it
Wow,
disappeared now.
that's very exciting.
Wow, that's very exciting. Now the boy started to speak. Now as he speaks, maybe I would like to add a kind of balloon here. Pondering. Okay, he is speaking something, but maybe he is thinking something else. Okay? So maybe he's thinking it, but he's speaking something different. Now again, as I say, we can change. Now we change the color by clicking on the things that we write. We change the color. Okay, like that. How do we change the color of these captions that we add? When we have that kind of captions, right here with the subtitles, I just saw this icon here in the properties. But now I have another one, annotation properties. So when I click on annotation properties, I can change the color of this. Like I can make it, for example, green or any other color. And then opacity, right? Maybe I don't want the color to appear too much, something like that. Then if you like an outline, maybe a kind of outline from these, okay? You can install an outline, okay? You can change the color of this, okay? Again, you can make it like that. All right? It is just the caption. You work with captions like that. So here we change the text. Here we change the annotations, the balloons, the captions that we add. All right. Fine. Now let's see how it will appear.
Who are you? I am Nino. I am from a far planet from another solar system. I am an alien to your planet. Wow, that's very exciting. My name is Tim, but can you tell me what a solar system is? Oh, yes.
Okay. So now here this caption can be taken to this second, alright, while the boy starts to speak. And okay, here we have the menu of these annotations. But here we have some other options like transitions, behaviors, animations, alright? So transitions, see, circle stretch, flip. Normally when you move your mouse over this, you should see the action. Okay, page roll, fold, ripple. Okay, so when you click on this, the system will show us where we can place this transition. See, for example, it appears yellow here and here and here, yellow. Okay, so these are the places where we can add these. Right? We can just drag and drop. Page roll. Okay, so let's move it here. Okay, and place it. Now let's see how it will appear on our screen.
Alien to your planet. Wow, that's very exciting. My name is Tim, but can you tell me what a solar system is?
Right.
Oh yes,
Rolling.
I can tell you.
Page roll. So can we change it? With ripple maybe? Okay. Let's place ripple here. Let's see.
To your planet. Wow, that's very exciting. My name is Tim, but can you tell me what a solar system is?
Right.
Oh yeah.
So as you see, you don't have to delete these things. You just need to drag and drop the transition that you like to use. When you drag and drop it on the previous one, the latest one will appear here. So we also have behaviors like this. Okay. How we want them to appear, the text, how we want the text to appear. So you can use these transitions, behaviors, and also animations. Maybe at some certain point we want to zoom in or zoom out to stress something, so we can just click on here and zoom in. Okay. Whoa. So we will preview it later.
Wow, that's very exciting. My name is Tim, but can you tell me what a solar system?
Right. So when we zoom in, we will have to arrange this as well. Okay. So our video will go on and
oh
then
yes,
it will
I
go
can
back.
tell you and show you all.
So far, we have added subtitles. Okay, we have added subtitles. We know how to change the color of these, the font. Okay, and we have also okay, I'm arranging this to see it better, and this one as well. I need to click on this, and there I see it. Maybe I can place it a little bit here. Okay, so subtitles. We know how to arrange the color, how to change the font or everything, and then how to place these annotation marks or shapes from here, and how to change the color, how to customize them. As I said, we need to click on these properties if you want to see the menu where we can change these. Okay, and then we know how to use these transitions and where we can use them, the behaviors, etc. Now we have another option with
My name is Tim,
this
but can you
Camtasia.
tell me what a solar system is? Oh yes, I can tell you and show you also.
Right, maybe here I want to add a quiz. Actually, this is the purpose of this video. I will show how we can create video quiz. Now quiz, Camtasia allows us to install quiz. So we go here to modify menu, modify, And then here we have quizzes. All right, add timeline quiz. So when I click on this, right, I have added my quiz here. Okay, so my quiz will be here. Now here on the right, I need to add my questions like 1. The name of our green friend is Nino. Alright, and it can be one of these. It can be multiple choice question, it can be fill in the blank question, short answer question, or true false. Let's select true false for now for the first question. The name of our green friend is Nino. Okay, true false. We need to choose the correct answer, the correct option here. So it is true. So what if people say false? What if they give wrong answer here? So we have the option to add feedback. If they answer correctly, we can say correct or well done or any other feedback, and then continue. The action will be to continue. What if wrong? Maybe we can write incorrect, or maybe be more careful, or you better watch again, or something like that. And then maybe we can ask them to go to another URL or to jump to time, to the time where our green friend tells us his name. Okay, what is it? We need to go here after who are you?
I am Nino.
I am Nino. So exactly on the 23rd second. Okay, so maybe we can let them watch from a little bit earlier. So we can say 22nd second. Okay, let's see. Somewhere here. Okay.
Nino. I am from a
Before that then. 21st.
I am Nino.
Okay, I will make it the 21st second. Okay, so if the answer is not correct, they will have to go back to the 21st second and watch the video again, so they will understand that the name is Nino. Okay, so this is the action here. So this is the first question, and the first question is ready. Okay. If you want to add another question, we need to click on this, add question. Okay. Now our second question. We need to type our second question. What should we type? Or the suggests to go to other planets. True, false. We can write something like that. We can add our question again like that. False or true, and again the same thing. Or maybe we can ask a multiple choice question here. Okay, so we will have to change this. What does Nino suggest to do? Okay, we can say to take a ride to the solar system, to go home, to play a game, etc. We can add as many options as we like here, but we need to again choose the correct option. And again, if you want, we can add our feedback, but we don't have to if you don't want. Okay, so the first two questions are ready. We can add as many questions as we like. Okay, at that point and our quiz is added. Now we can go on with this. We don't have to do anything. We don't have to save anything. It is saved automatically. It is here. Okay.
I am from a far planet from another solar system. I am an alien to your planet.
Wow, that's very exciting. My name is Tim, but can you tell me what a solar system is?
Oh yes, I can tell you and show you also. Do you want to take a ride in my flying saucer for that?
That seems fun.
Right, so actually this question that we asked belongs to the part which comes after this quiz. Right, so in order to answer this second question, they have to watch the next part, the following part. So maybe this question here is not very appropriate. So we need to ask the most appropriate questions, the questions that are related to the first part here. Alright? So of course here our question is valid. We will see this question in our quiz, but we won't be able to answer it because we haven't watched that part yet. Okay? So we need to be careful about this. Alright, so they get into the spaceship and fly away. Right, maybe here I want to finish my video, and here in the end I want to add another quiz. So again I go to modify quizzes, add timeline quiz, and there it is. My quiz is added. Now I'm going to type another question. 3. What is going to happen next? Okay, and it can be short answer. Alright, we don't have any prompts for this, we don't have any feedback for this. Again, it can be fill in the blank for the boy has or wears a color t-shirt. So what color t-shirt? We will have to provide the options here. Answer: green color t-shirt. Okay, you can add another answer here if you want. Okay, green color t-shirt. If you want, again, you can display the feedback. Right, so I added another quiz. In the end, I'm planning this to be the end of the video. So I'm not going to use the whole video. I'm just going to use 1 minute of this video and install my questions here. So I don't need the rest of this video. What should I do then? How can I trim? How can I cut this video? I just need to go to the end of this video and see this sign. Okay, right and left arrow sign, and then I need to click and take it back to this line here. Right, I see that the line and the video is matched. So I cut the video. I'm going to use just this part, 1 minute part. Okay, if you want now, you can make it bigger here to appear. So we go here and then, right, now this is 1 minute and 7 seconds or something right here. So in the end of my video, I'm still allowed to work with this. In the end of my video, if I want to add some of these, like, okay, I have finished the video, the quiz has finished, and then I still want to add something. You have the option to add it. Okay, right? You can write the end, or you can write the end. Now proceed with the following questions. Okay, anything. And then you can write your questions. You can add your questions here, and this is going to go on as a video. So you can show some questions here, one by one, or all at once, in the way you like. Okay, so we cut the video, but our video that we are creating here, it is going on. And we still have the option to add something here on the queue, or to write something, to add quiz, or to edit this, to go on with editing this. Alright, so now let's go back to the beginning of our video and preview it.
Who are you?
I am Nino. I am from a far planet from another solar system. I am an alien to your planet.
Wow, that's very exciting. My name is Tim, but can you tell me what a solar system is?
Oh yes, I can tell you and show you also. Do you want to take a ride in my flying...
Right, so here, have you noticed we can, while previewing, we can observe, we can see the subtitles and all other captions that we see here, but we can't see on the screen the quizzes. We will see the quizzes in the end, when we finish with our project and when we convert this project to a video file. In the end only. So for now, we can see only the captions, the objects, the pictures, the subtitle, and whatever we use here. So right here, for example, the boy is talking, he's speaking, and we have added this here, but we can also add the subtitle here. So this subtitle will appear again on this one. Okay, we have this option. So when we are ready with all these, editing subtitles, adding subtitles and editing them, when we are ready, it's a good idea to save our project. This is our video quiz project. So as in hot potatoes, we need to save our project file. Okay, we will have a project file, and then we will have a video file or other files. Right now, for example, I have added my project file here. It is here. This is just a project file. This is not a video file. See the difference? For example, this is video. We see a frame of the video here, but we don't see a frame here. So because this is a project file, this is a file of Camtasia Studio. Okay, so we will convert this and make something like that. So for this reason, okay, we need to go here, share, and we need to click on share. When we click on share, we have some other options like saving in our Google Drive, share it on YouTube, etc. We will click local file, okay, when we are ready with everything here. But as we have our project file saved, we can always go back and add something, delete something. Okay, we can always go back and work on this. Now we click on local file, and here we have some options. If we have quiz edit, because we don't always add quizzes, but we add subtitles, etc. If you just add subtitle or other kind of shapes and captions or whatever, you can use one of these, MP4 only. But if you have quiz edit in your video, then you have to choose one of these. Maybe the resolution of this one will be not very good, not very high quality. So, and the file, the size of this one can be very big. So this one in the middle, 720p might be ideal. So I'm going to choose it. Okay. Now in the next screen, okay, we have another screen here. Quiz reporting options. So here we will have to write the email address. Okay. Why? Because the system, we will have to validate, we will have to write the same email address here. The system will send the results quiz results are sent to these email addresses, okay, the addresses that you will provide here. An incorrect email address cannot be changed later, okay, so you need to be careful with this. If you want to receive, you can write your email address or the email address of someone else, okay. So you will have to provide the email address here if you want to receive the results of the quizzes that you include in your video. And here, require viewers to input name and email address, right? You have the option to choose this one, or you can just click here and allow viewers to take quiz anonymously without giving their names or email addresses. If you just want them to watch the video and to read the subtitles and go on, okay? But if you click on this, you know, people who watch this video, they will have to, they can't skip the quizzes. They will have to take them. This option will allow viewers to skip the quizzes, okay? So these are the options you will choose. You will have to choose one of these and then go forward. So this is going to be the video, not a project now. So video quiz, I'm going to change the name here. And then where do I want to save this? I want to save this on my desktop. Okay, so I shall select it and finish. Now it will convert this. This is converting our video quiz project, and it is here. It is going to be ready here in a folder. We will view it soon. This will take some time, of course. So basically, again, we have one project file and we have one folder in which we will have a web page with the quiz and a video file that we can upload to our YouTube channel, or that we can save it in our Google Drive, and then we can take the link and share the link on our weblog or in our website. Alright? Fine. This is finished. Now let's see. Let's check this folder. In this folder, as I say, we have one web page. Okay, we have the web page here. This is a web page like the web pages of hot potatoes files. And we also have the video file. Now this video file, we can upload it, we can share it in our YouTube channel. And this web page, we can use it. Actually, we can use both of these with those interactive smart screens. And you know, you can always use the link of these in your weblog, in your website, etc. Now let's see. This is the video file that we edited. Here we will see the subtitles, but we won't be able to see the quizzes.
Who are you?
I am Nino. I am from a far planet from another solar system. I am an alien to your planet.
Wow, that's very exciting. My name is Tim, but can you tell me what a solar system is?
Oh yes, I can tell you and show you also. Do you want to take a ride in my flying saucer for that?
That seems fun.
Right, just 1 minute or something. The rest of the video is not here. We cut the video, we added some subtitles, and that's it. The video is finished. You see, in the end, if we have some more of these, the video will go on. It will go on with these questions, with everything that we do. Okay, so this is the file that we can upload to our YouTube channel and that we can share with others, of course. And then this one, this is the web page. Now we should see our quiz here on this web page. Okay, have a look.
Who are you?
I am Nino. I am from a far planet from another solar system. I am an alien to your planet.
Wow, that's very exciting. My name is Tim, but can you tell me what a solar system is?
Oh yes, I can tell you and show you also.
Right. At that point, the video stops and people will have to take the quiz now. Remember about the options when converting the file. If you haven't selected the other option to skip the quiz, then they will have to take the quiz. They can't go on watching the rest of the video. Okay, so we click on this. The name of our green friend is Nino. True or false? If we say true, our command was to go on with the video or with the other questions. But if false, this will take us back to the 21st second. Okay, let's click false now. Submit. Incorrect. You can write something else here. You better watch again. Okay, continue.
You!
I am Nino. I am from a far planet from another solar system. I am an alien to your planet.
Wow, that's very exciting. My name is Tim, but can you tell me what a solar system is?
Oh yes, I can tell you and show you also.
Right. So it took us back to the 21st second, and then we watched again and we listened that his name is Nino. Okay, so what does Nino suggest to do? This is actually the question that we should see after the second part here in the end of the quiz maybe. So we say to take a ride to the solar system. Okay, correct, continue. So we have one correct, one incorrect, 50%.
Do you want to take a ride in my flying saucer for that?
That seems fun.
Right. So in the end, we have again some quiz questions. We will have to write them here. What is going to happen next? Everything is going to be fine, etc. Or whatever they want to write. They will have to write it here. The green color t-shirt. Submit the answers. One correct, zero incorrect. It appears, right? One correct for the fill in the blank, and then continue. And then we are finished with this video. So as you see, we can see the quiz here in our web page version. We can't see it here. So with our video file that we will upload to our YouTube channel, we won't see the quizzes. We will just see the subtitles and other things that we add to our video. But here we can see this. And here, this one, our web pages, we can share these web pages. We can save these web pages in our Google Drive, and then we can share the links of these web pages, just as we shared the links of our hot potatoes web pages in our weblog, or we can use this as a link to our offline website that we created. All right, so that's it. Very easy and simple way to edit our videos. Now we have another option. We have another tool with this Camtasia Studio. It is the record tool, and I'm going to talk about this in my next video. So if you want to check it, you will find some information in my second video about how to record your own video, how to record your own screen, and how to create your own video. And again, the editing is similar. Now with this video, here for example, in our timeline, we see the video file and the audio file on the same timeline. We have the option, we can separate these. We just need to click and select. Whenever we do something with any of these, we need to select them before we do any action here. So I select this one, and when I right click, we will see this menu here, separate audio and video file. Okay, when we click on this, we will see our audio file is here on the top and our video file is here. So maybe you want to use this video, but you don't like the sound or the audio file. So you have the option to delete this audio file and to record your own voice, to add voice narration, or the opposite. Maybe you can just use the audio file and you don't like the video file. Maybe you can find another video file. Maybe you can create your own. So you have the option to delete one of these. Okay? And right here, for example, I clicked and I edit quiz again here. I want to delete it. Okay? I didn't mean to add this here. So, and whenever you do something, you always have the option to go to edit and click undo. Okay? Undo, right? Or redo. Okay. So don't worry if you do something, if you don't mean to do something, if you do something. Right. So here, we are ready with this one. And this is all. This is the way we download videos. This is the way we edit videos. Okay. And all the rest about how to record our screen with this Camtasia tool. Okay, when we click on this, we will see another tool here that will allow us to record our desktop, our screen. It is going to be another video, so be sure to watch it. Right. So now that's all for this video. If you have any questions so far, please let me know in the comment section and I will see if I can respond. Thank you very much.